from the inside. I barely got in here. Wow. Look at that. Can't see the police department or anything over there now. Wow. Yeah, it's completely gone. Pretty good one. Wow, I mean, it is flat getting dark. Wow. I don't want that crap getting sucked into my filter. Yeah, we're not moving, that's the wind. Wow. And the reason the camera's moving is because the wind's making the truck shake. Holy cow, it didn't look that bad that far away. I've seen worse off in the distance than that. This is pretty thick. I can't run my truck. Well, I can, but I just don't want to suck in all the dirt into my filter. So it's getting pretty warm in here. There was a police department right over there. As you can see, gone. Well, doesn't get any more intense than that, so at least I wouldn't think so right now. Maybe if one of those thunder cells started falling out right here, right now, it might give some pretty intense wind, but I don't think that's going to happen just yet. So, see you later. Thanks for watching.